Alright, good evening guys. May the 3rd, 2017 is 6 p.m. California Pacific Standard Time. Just want to go over quick trades that I spoke about when I last posted. Right now we're on the daily Euro Aussie. I'd actually taken half out here where I said wave 3 would be, and I let it retrace where I have wave 4, and now 5 of 1 will most likely find resistance at around 40, about a mid 147, 147.17, or a little bit under or over, between 147.17 and 147.50 is where you'll start seeing some resistance. So a lot of people had this as the top and they thought it was going to go down, and you can pretty much go back to my videos and see where I had this as wave 3, and 200 pip decline for wave 4, and then 5 of 1. So there's a lot of Elliott who have this particular market in a downtrend, and it could well be that, but at 650 pips, I honestly can care less what market it is in right now. It's going, what direction it is right now. It is pointing up, so I'll follow that. Euro yen also, that's at 662 ticks, and right now it has reached the 100% where I had it projected to go to, and it is finding a bit of resistance. So if it does continue going forward, it'll probably 123.30 will be the next form of resistance. So my stop here is for half of it is already up basically. So I'll lock in, you figure from 116 to 122. I'll lock in the vast majority of these pips, and I'm expecting this French elections or whatever is coming up on Sunday for this to actually find, shoot down basically. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can be one of 3. Basically, if this is 1 here, this is 2. This can be 1 of 3. You'll see 2 of 3 come to right around this support area of 118 or so, and I'll basically lock this in with half profits and let that retrace, and then I'll re-enter once I can count 5 wide or 3 waves down. Moving on to my Aussie. Let's see. So let me do that. But basically, this can be the 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, E here for 4, and then 5 of 1 could pretty much find its support at around 73.86. On a 60-minute time frame, I do have it a little bit different because it could be either or. However, so if this was the top at E, you have a 1, a expanded flat 2, you have the 3, you have an A, B, C, D, E for 4, which is a triangle. Then you have a 5 for 1. You have A of 2. This is like a expanded flat B of 2, which you can clearly count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this is correct, wave B of 2 would actually be right here. I currently have my stop, half of this, at 74.25. So in the end, I'm in this trade at 77.18. So I got in this trade roughly about right here. So you got to figure 77.18 or so. I got in close to the top, and I still have 2 contracts in this trade. But I'm going to one of my contracts is my stop is lowered, so I'm gonna lock in a couple of hundred pips before, if I do see a move going up. So if this is an expanded flat B, you could expect wave C to probably come around the mid 76 level. So we'll keep an eye on that. The Euro CAD, I spoke about that with some colleagues, and I had it projected going to around 150.15. It went a little bit to tad bit below that to 150.03, and I ended up jumping in anyway. So right now, this has the potential of continuing higher. So I do have a second order in at 50.30. But as of right now, I'm up 50 pips. So it's half a contract, but at the end of the day, it's 50 pips. So we'll see. But if this is the case, this will be if it's finished, this is wave 2 of 3, and then you're going to see prices continue way lower. It might find some support here at 146, but as of right now, it's looking good to the downside. Let's see. I don't think I did anything with the CAD yen. I'm looking at the CAD yen, but I haven't done anything with it yet. But if this is the case, then this is wave 1. This is possible wave 2 here, and then we'll see, a move come up. I didn't label that yet. I'm going to. That'll be probably on my next video on Friday or Sunday. But that's another market in play. I believe I was labeling that too. So I am still playing with this as well. As you can see, the pound. This can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or this can be 1, 2, 3 of 3, 4, 3, 5 of 3. Then you have an A, a B. I think C will be here. Or no, I think the A was here. The B was here. 1, 2, 3. C for here. But there's a few ways to count this. So right now I'm just kind of testing it. If price comes back into this range, I'll probably take it short right now. So I'm just testing that one. I think the euro yen, I'm doing pretty good in that one. So I'm sorry, the dollar yen. The dollar yen, I'm up 348. So that actually, as of right now, the bottom of 2 is in place. So I believe this is a wave 2, not a 4. So I'll go ahead and take away that. I'll do that on another video and have that. But right now it's pretty clear. This is ABC, and then price moved up. So I'll go ahead and I have half my, and I'll actually move my stop up to lock in a little over 200 pips. So all in all, some of these trades are doing good. However, keep in mind with the non-farm payroll coming up in 2 days, I definitely will be liquidating the vast majority of my positions just so that I can end with the elections on Sunday. I don't want to let any of this go away, and this is a lot of ticks over the course of the last couple of weeks. So I'm not going to let that go. But looking at the euro dollar, actually, I thought I would go a little bit higher, which I'm still projecting it to. Maybe on Friday or Sunday, prices will go up. The euro will become strong, the dollar will become weak, and it will probably go up and bring me in, and then I'll short it at the levels I wanted to short it at. Other than that, I think that's all I have for now. But just be careful if you are trading any of these dollar pairs over the next 48 hours. You're likely to see a spike in both directions. It appears, just on my own personal opinion, it just appears that the dollar will find some weakness temporarily against all pairs, and there will be a spike, dollar, a weak dollar, temporary spike, and then it will continue its path of dollar strength. I think I had the dollar CAD as well. Let's see. I was looking at the dollar CAD. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, so that wasn't it. Yeah, so I'm still playing with that, and I would like to see price go a little bit uh, closer to 138. If it does that, then I would probably go short there, which is basically, this would be 1 of A, this would be the W, X, and then let's say Y of 2, somewhere around this area, possibly around 130, high 138. So I'm not comfortable right now with going short the dollar CAD just yet. So this hints the reason why I'm not in this trade yet, and I'm in several trades right now that's doing great. I don't think any of them are actually going against me, so I'm definitely going to take some profits out. So just be advised, this quick video is really to show that the next 48 hours, just be careful with non-farm payroll. You're either going to have a wide stop, or you're going to go ahead and just liquidate and just jump back in later. Um, and I will probably do something on Friday after the market close, if not on Sunday. Until then, if you have any questions, go ahead and just leave a comment, and I'll try to get back to you um, as soon as I can. Happy trading.